We are walking 1 kilometer down the coast from Coral Bay to the shark's nest. Juvenile reef sharks, they're known to be seen within this period actually. I believe it's from September to March. The same waters that I was snorkeling in. There are sharks just 1 kilometer away. They say that this is a good spot to observe the black-tip reef shark, the white-tip reef shark, the gray reef shark, and the lemon shark species. That's a lot of different sharks, let me tell you. As if they didn't have to tell you this, but they write it down anyway. Reef sharks are wild animals and their behavior is unpredictable. They have injured humans, and inappropriate interaction with sharks may result in serious injuries, guys. So I'm not gonna be getting in the water, no matter how cool those reef sharks look. I'm gonna stick to the coast where I know that I'm safe. Stay on the land, you'll be all right. Those folks are in the water, so I guess it's okay. Shall we venture in? If I see anything scary, like Jaws, I'm a GTFO. Oh yeah, just over there?
Yeah, it's just over there, and they're pretty close. You see that group there, there's another group there. But just be careful, there's like stingrays.
Oh no.
And so if you see like a tail or something, just don't get close to them, you don't want to get stinged.
Okay, but
So that's why we're walking so slow, because we don't want to step on any.
Oh, that one right there?
Yeah.
The stingray?
Yeah, the one there.
Oh man, that just looked like a rock.
You can see their eyes, so you don't want to step on them. Definitely don't want to step on them. See that spot there? That could be one too.
Yeah, there is a lot of gray patches in the water. Those are the stingrays, and they actually worry me more than the juvenile sharks. They're off in the distance. You can see a cluster of them, their little fins sticking out of the water, but these stingrays are hard to spot. You really have to keep an eye out for them because they camouflage so well with the sand. I got out of the water, my wife is nervous, and I don't want to get stung for some content. There's a part of me that wants to get really good footage, but also I don't want to be a statistic. Were you scared?
Yeah. It took us a really long time to get here from town. If something were to happen, it would take us so long to get out.
I would like to get closer. It's very tempting. Oh, but look at that. There's a stingray. Look at that. Look at it go. Whoa! It just took off. Oh yeah, there they are. Those are the juvenile reef sharks. Oh, look at that fin. Ooh. Gotta be at least 10 reef sharks out there. Hungry. I think it's time for lunch. Yeah. Let's break for lunch. We got our egg sandwiches and cheese. Maybe the baby sharks will come out and join us for our main feed, as long as we're not the feed. Right over there.
I'm not gonna be getting in the water, no matter how cool those reef sharks look. I'm gonna stick to the coast where I know that I'm safe. Stay on the land, you'll be all right.
Here they come. Bye for now, baby sharks. Bye for now. Oh look, it's a piece of coral. It's a coral.
Feel how heavy it is.
Wow. That's it, folks. 4 glorious days have come to an end here at the world's largest fringing coral. Damn, that's big. 160 miles of coral. Ningaloo Reef in Western Australia, hanging out on the western coast. Absolutely beautiful coral reef here. It is massive. We swam with reef sharks. We navigated a minefield of stingrays. And this afternoon, we're gonna hop on a bus and head over to our next destination. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, guys. I hope you enjoyed the footage, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Oh, bye.